In this video, we're going to be talking about ad copy for POD, print on demand. Okay, now when it comes to print on demand, I'm going to be straight up. I keep it simple, short, and straight to the point. Usually it's just the name of the product and a clear call to action. That's it. I may add a little bit more to it and then it'll fall, or it can fall under the short copy. But other than that, it's just whatever the name of the product is, whatever the t-shirt says, that's exactly what goes on the ad copy. So let's go ahead and break this down. So right here, the text area, this is where we're going to be pretty much covering everything. The primary text, which is where your ad copy is going to be. The headline, which is just a short descriptive thing, usually a bribe. Or just some kind of call to action in the description. That one is the one it's like a 50-50 depending on what the product is, that I'll go ahead and add something, but typically I don't add anything there. Now for the call to action, that we'll cover that on the actual ads when we're creating ads. But here for print on demand is either shop now or order now. Those are literally the only two call to actions that I use, and same thing for drop shipping as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and break down this thing right down here. The copy demos, these are the most frequently used emojis that I use. If you want some other ones that you haven't used or have an idea of using one, I go to emojipedia.com. That's typically where I get all my emojis from. It's free and you could just copy and paste it from there. The link, I like to put whatever link that I'm going to be using in the ad creative there. That way it's already there. I could just copy and paste it. Same thing with the headline and description. Okay. Again, when it comes to print on demand, you're shipping something. So typically I just say, hey, ready to ship. Let's go. All right. So let's go here for the no copy, right? You could see here, but God, order now, link here. And that's it. Headline, ready to ship. That's it. No description whatsoever. And that came from the actual ad creative. Like that's the image that I use. I use a mock-up of the t-shirt, the sweater, whatever it is that you're selling, a handbag, whatever. Okay. Coffee mug. It's whatever it says there. That's what the title is. This one's but God, period. That's exactly what goes there. And order now. This has worked for me for years and is still working 10 years later. Okay. It's people see what it is. It says it right there. Hey, you want this? Click on this here. Okay, so that's as simple as that. Whatever the name is, that's what goes there. Okay, now when I add a little bit more, and you could put this on the short copy, if you will, is on the occasion of that particular print on demand or design. Okay, so for example, right here, my first Mother's Day with baby feet. Perfect to let your friends and loved ones know you're expecting. All right. And I forgot to add the word no there. I'll go ahead and fix it in post edit. But that's pretty much it. It's the occasion, right? If it's Father's Day, my first Father's Day, whatever the occasion is. Right now, today's actually May the 4th as I'm recording this video. So it'd be May the 4th type stuff, May the 4th be with you. Whatever the occasion is, that's what I would add there. And then a clear call to action right there. Order now, link here, or shop now if that's the button, call to action right there. And then right here, ready to ship, no description. I usually don't use descriptions for print on demand. And then right here, you can clearly see, the mock-up. That's literally the mock-up, the ones that they're going to get my first Mother's Day. There's the baby feet there. It has baby feet, right? It's got some flowers, but that's it. It fits with that. They read this, my first Mother's Day with baby feet. That's the name of the image, what they're seeing there. Exactly. Right? And then right here, perfect to let your friends and loved ones know that you're expecting a little one. It's the occasion. Okay. So this is typically all I do for print on demand. I keep it simple and very short and very straight to the point. There's really no selling there. The actual image in this case, actually, the mock-up is what does the selling for you. They'll be like, oh my God, this is cute. I love this. I love the color. I love what it says. Let's buy it. Same thing works for mugs, for coffee mugs, for, for what do you call those? The bags, the book bags, the hats, whatever it says, just use that as the title. Whatever the title is, use that in your thing there. And then let the image speak for itself. Okay. So that's pretty much it for this. If you got any questions, just let me know. and then we'll go ahead and take care of it. All right. So with that said, I will see you on the next.